Hello, we are Group Unicorn, and our project is civil engineering. First, let me introduce what is civil engineering. Civil engineering deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment. This is the definition of civil engineering from Wikipedia. Maybe it sounds quite hard to understand, but later we'll show you a very simple example. Then I'll explain the relationship between civil engineering and linear algebra. Force analysis is a basic part in all kinds of civil engineering problems. By applying linear algebra, especially Gauss elimination, we can figure out whether a structure is stable or not, or solve the equations obtained from force analysis conveniently and efficiently. Next, I'm going to talk about the goals we want to achieve in this project. Given a structure, first we need to figure out whether it's stable or not. If the structure is stable, then we will compute the forces everywhere. If not, then we will find a way to change it into a stable one. The goals I have mentioned should all be finished by a program, which I will later show a not yet finished version to you. Now let's go on to our algorithm. Given a structure, we can get a set of linear equations by setting the forces as variables and analyzing the forces everywhere. Then we write the equations in matrix form and calculate the rank of this matrix, which is R, and the rank of its augmented matrix, which is R prime. Then we compare R and R prime. If R equals R prime, we know there is one or more solutions to this linear system, which means the input structure is stable. Under this condition, if R equals R prime, but they are smaller than the number of variables, then it's called an indeterminate structure, which means there are some extra restrictions in it, so we can't find out the force everywhere since it has multiple solutions. If R equals R prime equals the number of variables, then there's only one solution, so we can solve this linear system, and it's called a determinate structure. On the other hand, if R is not equal to R prime, then there's no solution, so it's an unstable structure. Then let's see a very simple example here. Suppose there's a structure like this, assuming compressive forces as shown, and some kind of arbitrary loads at each joint. This is the set of equations that results. These equations can be written in matrix form like this. Then we found out that in this example, R equals R prime equals the number of variables, so it's a determinate structure. Then we can find the force everywhere by simply solving this linear system. In the end, let me show you our unfinished program. This is the appearance. The code isn't finished yet, so we'll show how it works in our presentation. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you find our project interesting.